Yes, hi, good morning guys. My name is Ramel. Thank you for watching my video. On Wait, no, I'm an online marketer. I'm a digital marketer. I have been doing a lot of research, a lot of studies on online marketing and listening to like motivational speakers, trying to better myself in life. Cause I know one of these days I'm gonna start my own online business. Cause I have lots of knowledge too, right? I have lots of knowledge, so I just share my knowledge with you guys. I do a lot of research and a lot of studies. So right now I'm on this website here called udemy.com here on Google. And basically Udemy is like, see what it says right now? UDEMY. What is Udemy? It's the world's largest educational site, improving lives through learning. It teaches the world online, share knowledge, make money. Yes, students. So I click on this website. Udemy for business, Udemy for blog articles, for anybody, any person worldwide, right? You can just do your research and come in here and do it as well. So I'm just gonna click on udemy.com. It's for educational. You can pay like for tuition or something like that. You can learn business skills and stuff like that. You can learn different businesses and stuff like that. I don't think I signed up with this here as yet though. I don't think I signed up. I'm just showing you guys. I have different categories. Development, business, finance and accounting, IT software, official productivity. You can learn about marketing and technical and all kind of things in here, right? That you can learn about. You can become successful, learn freelancing, teaching English, instructional design, training. This is for people all over the world, but then you have to pay for all these courses. Pay to learn, you know. Have different prices. I think you could sign up here for free. I don't think I signed up as yet, but I don't want to sign up. So I already do a lot of studies and a lot of research on online marketing and digital marketing and stuff. So I have lots of knowledge. So I just share my knowledge with you guys about this website here. It says Udemy for business. It says got lots of categories here. Categories of development, business. If you want to come and learn about business, you click on it and see what it is. See, I have business courses, course for entrepreneurship, and you just click on business and you got answer courses to get you started. And this is like I think this is a site that teaches you a lot of stuff about business. We want to start your own business. They have business courses that you could come and pay for, and people teach you online to learn about affiliate marketing. Let me see if I type in about affiliate marketing. See if they teach you about affiliate marketing too as well. Let me see if I type in affiliate marketing, clickbank affiliate marketing courses. So the affiliate is basically someone that promotes other people's product for commission. This is the type of market that I am in, right? On Udemy now, they have people that train you and teach you about affiliate marketing and learn about clickbank. You say clickbank success is the best. This is a bestseller, right? This guy is teaching you about clickbank success, affiliate marketing, clickbank success, affiliate marketing without a website. So basically, clickbank is free to join. I have already joined clickbank. It's a worldwide opportunity, affiliate marketing platform where you could have access to thousands of products in different categories to promote. So people from all over the world have joined clickbank. And Amazon affiliate. Amazon have lots of products too. So this person here teaching you about Amazon and stuff like that there. So this guy here is Alex Genier, beginning affiliate marketing to start in 1 day. So he teaching you affiliate marketing for $39.99. ClickBank, the practical. This is basically my first time actually going through this site. You know, I never really spent much time going through this site before. That's my first time. So that's my first time, right? So affiliate marketing paid as masterclass. learn how to scale affiliate marketing for the Facebook ads. So affiliate marketing is basically, as I said, there are thousands of affiliate marketing companies out there, right? They have clickbank to Warrior Plus and JD Store 24, which you could join for free, and they have plenty of different other affiliate marketing companies out there too as well that you could join for free. And if you want to come and learn, just come up here. This is the site where you get to pay for education, pay to learn. You know, they never really teach us none of this in school, that to start out one business and how to become successful and thing on school. This is what I want. This is what I really want to get into. To see if you on clickbank, you will have, when you get to sign up for free, you go to clickbank.com. When you will sign up for free, you will have access to thousands of products. But what I want to get into right now, I want to get into email marketing, right? Email and affiliate marketing mastermind. Build, utilize, and remarketing to target email lists and no amount more than 1 day. I want to get into email marketing. This is my next step I'm going into, right? Getting into email marketing. But I have knowledge already, so what to teach on my YouTube channel and teach people how to do online marketing, affiliate marketing, how to make money. You could actually start a business online from home, you know. Imagine working from home and making extra money. So this why I started this YouTube channel. Cause basically I'm trying to join an opportunity that's going to make me a good set of money. So when I join it, I'm actually going to put it on my YouTube channel. So make sure you like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so you will get notification of when next I'm going to be putting out videos, right? Cause my videos all about educational, teaching people motivation, showing people motivational videos, how to get your mind right, stay away from negative people and stuff like that, and how to educate yourself and learn about the business world. This is the learn about the digital marketing world. Cause I actually have a digital online store too as well, and you could check out my YouTube channel, and you could check out my playlist too as well. You go on my YouTube channel and check out my playlist. I have thousands of different videos that I have saved on my playlist, so you get an idea of what my YouTube channel is like, the different videos that I have saved on my YouTube channel and stuff like that. And plus you can watch some of my YouTube videos too that I have uploaded already too as well. So you can learn affiliate marketing. Lots of courses. People are just selling courses, teach you how to become successful and things online. Let me type in online businesses. Let me see. Top companies choose Udemy for business. Online course creation for business. So you could come and sign up here for free, and come on udemy.com, sign up here for free and go through the different courses. I mean, like on YouTube too as well, they teach you about affiliate marketing for free too as well. I advise you to learn everything you can about affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is basically about promoting other people's product for commission. They have companies that you could join for free, and they have free, and then you could promote their products and things for commission too as well. You could have a referral link, then you could share your opportunity with others. Once other people join, then you will make commission. Like on clickbank, they have thousands of products you can make from $50 to, from like $10 up to $1,000 to $500 plus US, depending on the category, depending on the product and the category of the product that you want to be in. Because on clickbank they have, let me see, let me go on clickbank.com. I mean, I make a video about clickbank already, you know, but I don't want to be constantly repeating myself about making videos and things on clickbank. So the clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Right? I already signed up already, right? I only have about 15 minutes to make this video. I already done clickbank, signed up already, so I don't really want to think that, you know. I already done signed up already, so I could just see if I can log in real quick. You can sign up for free. First, you gotta put in the ID, put in your nickname, and then put in the password. And then I log in, right? This is worldwide. This is for people all over the world. You can check out my YouTube videos. I got some videos that I made telling you, showing you how to sign up for free. And you just come here on this marketplace. Click here on marketplace. This is worldwide. People from all over the world have joined. People have to really get into the world of online marketing. There's a chance for you to like make your money online. Start your own online business too as well. And well, on this, they have like these are the categories. Categories on clickbank and the products they have: arts and entertainment as seen on TV, betting system, business and investing, computers, cooking and food and wine, e-business. This is a niche that I'm basically in, right? E-business and e-marketing. You got education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, parenting, families. Just come in here and self-help. You know, self-help products and stuff like that there too as well. And I love clickbank, bro. Don't mind I have not made any money on clickbank like that, but I will be in time because I plan on joining the marketing system, investing in myself, and I got lots of knowledge, and I don't see myself failing in this world of online marketing because I have been studying this here for like 4 or 5 years and see myself successful. I plan on joining the business opportunity. I don't want to give up the name right now, but when I join it, and I will put it on my YouTube video, and you will see me making money. And you could join me as well, cause I am actually going to put my link in the description down below. So they have clickbank, and then you could join different categories. This is basically the niche that I'm in. You click on e-business and e-marketing, raise it. This is basically about affiliate marketing, how to make money and things online at home. Start your own business, and I usually search by gravity. Click here and search by gravity because this is going to show you the top products that people are promoting and making money from it. And you got perpetual income. People with brilliant minds created these products here, so you could actually just come and join. Because once you join and put in your password and your thing and stuff like that, just click on promote. If I wanted to promote this product here, let me see. If I want to promote this product, I will make $196 US per sale, right? So I click here on promote now. Click here on promote, and then click here on generate hot link. And this is my link to promote for I will promote this product here, and anybody join, I will make a sale. I just copy this link, and I usually go on a site. I usually shorten this URL, and let me see what this product here is all about. I usually click on the product first, see what it is like, if anybody interested in it, and stuff like that. So you can come on clickbank.com and browse all the thousands of products that they have. See what interests you, see what you like. They even have a digital online clickbank online store too as well. But I will teach you how to get your own online store too as well, so you can promote your online store, the digital clickbank online store. So subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I will put more videos online too as well. You could go and sign up for digistore24.com. Digistore24 is similar to like clickbank, when I have products that you can promote to as well, and get paid. Learn about affiliate marketing, learn how to market, learn how to promote your business opportunities, learn how to promote products that people may be interested in. They have weight loss products, health and fitness too as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.